Microsoft Power BI and MicroStrategy are two of the most popular products for analytics, each one with different strengths. MicroStrategy is known for its platform capabilities, specifically security, governance, and scalability. Power BI is known for its ease of use and availability. With the Southport Custom Connector for Power BI, organizations get the best of both worlds by providing a seamless integration between the two products. The connector provides Power BI users with instant access to secure, governed data that has been modeled in MicroStrategy. The connector leverages MicroStrategy's robust APIs, and deployment is simple through Power BI's native custom connector support. The experience is seamless for the user, allowing them to visualize data in Power BI without the need for IT to build manual data extracts or any other customization. Take advantage of the quick response time and instantly updated rich visualizations with Power BI, knowing the data behind the screen is reliable, governed, and scalable, thanks to MicroStrategy. For more information on the Power BI Custom Connector and other analytics solutions, visit southportsg.com.